And before we start, let's pray together. Pray start. Dear God, please bless
Yes.
myself,
myself,
my teacher,
my teacher,
and my friend,
and my friend.
so we will
So
understand
we will understand
the lesson
the lesson
that we will get today.
that we will get today.
Dear God,
Dear God,
Okay, thank you, Dayu Intan. So, good morning for all students. Yeah. So, I hope all of you always in a good condition and also always happy and ready to study. Yeah. Okay. So, yesterday I have sent the link to your class teacher. Have you opened it?
yang ujian itu Miss, yang mau dites.
Not the monthly task. Another link. Link of the reading text.
on workbook.
Yeah, so yesterday I already sent 2 links to your class teacher, Miss Maggie. Yeah, the first link is the reading text on the workbook, and then the second is the reading text on the course book. Yeah, so for today we will discuss the reading on the workbook, and then for the course book, please do it by yourself. Yeah, so please open your workbook. Ya, workbook page 14.
Saya belum beli buku, Miss.
14 ya. So for those who didn't have the books, you can look at the screen and pay attention to your friends. Ya, jadi yang belum punya, it's okay ya. Miss Ru selalu sebutkan ini untuk lihat, perhatikan
Saya belum punya,
screen-nya.
Miss.
Ya, pay attention. Jadi perhatikan temannya, nanti Miss Rus akan choose giliran read the text. Ya. Okay, have you found this story, Mercury and the Woodman? Ready?
I have seen
14, 14. Ya, jangan sampai nanti sudah baca setengah ceritanya baru lagi nanya, Miss halaman berapa? No, ya, please. 14. Okay, 14. Jadi nanti kalau ada yang nanya lagi, Miss halaman berapa? I will not answer it. Okay. The title of the text is Mercury and the Woodman. So, first I would like to ask Deva to read the first sentence. Yeah, start from a woodman until water.
A woodman was falling a tree on the bank of the river when his axe, glancing off the trunk, flew out of his hands and fell into the water.
Okay, good, Deva. Thank you. So a woodman. Woodman is penebang hutan, ya. Someone who find woods and then selling it. Jadi itu woodman. And then was felling a tree. Jadi pada suatu hari woodman ini sedang menebang pohon ya di pinggir sungai. When his axe, ya kapak, axe itu kapak as you can see on the picture like this. Ya, itu suddenly fall into the water. Ya, jadi kapaknya itu tiba-tiba jatuh. Jadi saat dia mengayunkan kapak, ternyata kapaknya lepas dari tangannya dan jatuh ke air. Ya, next is Bima. Bima, please read this one. S sampai grip ini ya.
Sampai
grip yang ada titik koma ini.
Okay.
Okay.
As he stood by the water edge, lamenting his lost Mercury, appeared and asked him the reason for his grief.
Okay. Nah, ketika dia mencari-cari ya dari pinggir sungai, ya Mercury appeared and asked him for the reason for his grief. Jadi Mercury, so this one is Mercury ya, like the character who live in the river, ya, dan bertanya kepada Woodman, what happened, ya. Siapa tahu Mercury bisa membantu. Next, Akila, start from
The
N
woodman.
until lost, ya. N.
Yes.
Okay. And bringing up an axe, a golden axe, asked him if that was the one he had lost. The
Oke.
woodman replied,
No, stop it.
Oke. Thank you, Akila. Ya,
Yeah.
so the Mercury, ya, dive. Jadi dia dive menyelam to finding the axe.
Wait, I did it wrong.
What do you mean?
And on learning what had happened, out of pity and for his distress, he dived into the river and, bringing up a golden axe, asked him if that was the one he had lost.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Ya, jadi Mercury dive, dia menyelam, and then bringing up a golden axe. Ya, jadi pertama kali dia menyelam membawa golden axe. Okay, good. Thank you. And then asking the woodman, ya, Mercury bertanya, apakah ini punyamu? And then next, I would like to ask Turah Ardra to read the next. The woodman.
Wait, miss. The woodman replied that it was not, and Mercury then dived a second time and bringing up a silver axe. If that was his, no, that is not mine either, said the woodman.
Okay, thank you. Ya, so for the second time, untuk yang kedua kalinya, Mercury dive again. Ya, menyelam lagi and then bringing up a silver axe. Ya, jadi sekarang tadi golden axe, sekarang silver axe, ya. And then Mercury asks, "This is yours?" Ya, but the woodman say no. It's not mine. Ya, jadi itu bukan punya saya. Good. Next, Pixel. Pixel, please read this one.
Once more, Mercury dived into the river and brought up the missing axe.
Okay, thank you, Pixel. Ya, jadi for the third time, untuk yang ketiga kalinya, Mercury dive again, menyelam lagi, ya, and then bringing up the missing axe. Ya, axe. Jadi dia kemudian ketiga kali menyelam dan membawa axe milik woodman. Rendra, next. The woodman.
I was overjoyed at recovering his property and thanked his benefactor warmly.
Okay, thank you, Rendra. Ya, so the woodman was overjoyed. Dia sangat senang sekali dan berterima kasih, ya. Say thank you kepada Mercury. Next, Dayu Intan.
And the latter was so pleased with his honesty that he made him a present of the other two eggs.
Okay, so Mercury sangat senang, was pleased, ya, dengan kejujuran. Honesty is kejujuran dari woodman, ya. Jadi dia menghadiahkan axes yang gold and silver to the woodman. Next, Aura.
When the woodman told the story to his companions, one of these was filled with envy of his good fortune and determined to try his luck for himself.
Okay, good, ya. So when the woodman told the story to his companion, ya. Jadi ketika woodman bercerita tentang hal ini kepada temannya, companions is same like friends, ya. Jadi salah satu dari mereka sangat iri kepada woodman ya, karena Woodman bisa mendapatkan 2 kapak ya, 1 emas, 1 silver, dan dia mencoba, temannya Woodman ini mencoba untuk pergi ke sana juga ya, melakukan hal yang sama. Next, Tiara.
So he went and began to fell a tree. To fell a tree at the edge of the river, and presently contrived to let his axe drop into the water.
Okay, thank you. So, the woodman's friends, ya, try again the same thing. Ya, dia juga melakukan hal yang sama seperti woodman, and then drop the axe into the water. Next, Intan.
Mercury appeared as before, and on learning that his axe had fallen in, he dipped and brought up a golden egg as he had done on the previous occasion.
Okay, thank you. So Mercury appear, dia muncul lagi, Mercury ya, dan melakukan hal yang sama ya. Jadi dia menyelam and then bring up the golden axe. Jadi dia membawa golden axe ya, langsung dibawakan golden axe. And then what happened next? Next is Nanda. Nanda, please read the next. This one. Without waiting
to be asked whether it was his or not, the fellow cried, "That's mine, and stretched out his hand eagerly for the prize.
Okay, stop. Thank you, Nanda. Ya, so without waiting to be asked. Ya, jadi tanpa menunggu ditanya oleh Mercury apakah ini punyanya dia ya. Kemudian Woodman's friend, temannya Woodman bilang, "Oh, that's mine. Itu punya saya, Dan dia mengulurkan tangannya untuk mengambil kapak tersebut. Ya, so what happened next? Bung Naya, please. But
Mercury was so disgusted at his dishonesty that he not only declined to give him a golden axe, but also refused to recover for him the one he had let fall into the stream.
Okay, thank you, Gong Naya. Yeah, so Mercury was disgusted at his dishonesty. Jadi Mercury sangat tidak senang ya karena Woodman's friends ini sangat tidak jujur ya, dishonesty. Tadi honesty itu kejujuran, kalau sekarang dishonesty ketidakjujuran. Ya, jadi dia tidak jadi atau cancel ya, decline ini kayak cancel, tidak jadi ngasih the golden axe. Jadi dia tidak memberikan golden axe-nya itu, dan juga dia menolak untuk menyelam lagi untuk mencarikan kapak milik temannya Woodman yang sesungguhnya ya. So that's the story of Mercury and the Woodman. Okay, who can find what is the moral value of this story? Kira-kira apa pesannya? Be honest. Good. Be an honest person. Ya, be honest people person. Ya, kita harus jujur. Ya, same like one of school program. Ya, it is always speak the truth, ya, honesty, kejujuran. Okay, so that's for the reading text. Okay, I would like to ask you, is it clear, the text, for you to understand? Jelas? Okay, so now let's try to answer the questions on page 15. Halaman 15, ya. we only answer part A. Ya, because part B.
Miss, saya nggak ada halaman 15-nya, Miss, di buku saya.
Oh, okay, it's okay, Andi. Ya, you can write it later on your book ya.
Notebook.
Tapi yang halaman 16-nya ada, 16, 17, ada ya.
16. Oh, yang itu. Ya, sudah.
15 saja. Ya, nanti kalau yang itu, you can write it on your notebook ya. Okay, so for the question number 1, I would like to ask Vikan. Please read the question number 1, Vikan.
Lewat link berikut. Ini kan caranya.
Author mean by the phrases dancing of the trunk flew out of his hand.
Okay, thank you. What does the author mean by the phrases? Apa arti dari phrases yang dibuat oleh author? Author ini adalah pembuat cerita ya. Glancing of the trunk flew out of his hands. So the meaning is, you can see here on the answer key that I have prepared for you. Is it clear to see? Yes.
Yes, I see.
So the meaning is, when the woodman wanted to cut a tree, then his axe slipped out of his hand by accident. Jadi ketika dia mengayunkan kapaknya ya, mau memotong, kemudian kapaknya itu tidak sengaja terlepas dari tangannya ya. So that's the meaning. Flew out. Flew out itu kan artinya kayak terbang gitu ya. But di sini terbang itu diistilahkan untuk ketika kapaknya itu jatuh dan lepas dari tangannya dan jatuh ke air. That's it. So you can write the answers on your book, or if you have answered, you can recheck your answer. Okay, for next question, I would like to ask Rizdia to read this question number 2, please.
Okay, Miss. What did the woodman do when Mercury brought out the golden and silver eggs?
Okay, thank you. Jadi apa yang dilakukan oleh woodman ketika Mercury membawa golden and silver eggs? You can see here, ya. He said that those axes were not his. Jadi dia mengatakan bahwa axes tersebut atau kapak-kapak tersebut bukan miliknya, ya. Dia jujur bilang.
Huh? There's still happening. Ngapain? What's this happening? Miss? 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 Miss?
Happen.
Miss?
Oh yeah,
Happen.
someone is calling me.
Miss,
Okay.
itu dicatat kan?
Ya,
Ya,
ditulis
write it.
jawabannya.
Write it
Ya.
down.
Oke.
Kalau belum punya buku, bisa catat di catatan.
Bukunya apa? Oh, nanti baca pakai buku kan? Jangan jawabannya.
Mercury doing the woodman.
Next, number 3, I would like to ask Arya to read the question number 3. Unmute yourself, please. Arya. Number 3, why?
Hello.
Okay.
happened?
How about Dede? Yeah, Dede, please read the question number 3.
Bacanya dibuat apa dibaca aja?
Oh, dibaca saja number 3.
Why was Mercury pleased with the woodman's behavior?
Oke, thank you. Ya, why was Mercury pleased? Kenapa Mercury sangat senang dengan kelakuan atau kebiasaan dari Woodman? Kenapa? Because the Woodman was honest. Karena Woodman itu jujur orangnya, ya. Next, number 4, I would like to ask Gus Agung to read the question number 4.
Hello. Agung.
Hello, Gus Agung.
Can you hear us or no?
Okay.
Okay.
Gus Agung, Okay, move to
Please,
Serafin. Ya, Serafin, please read the question number 4.
Tolong di unmute dulu. Can you unmute yourself first?
Okay.
Yeah, unmute.
No answers. So Chacha, please read the question number 4.
No answer.
No answers. Okay. Mangayi, please read the question number 4. Okay.
What kind of man was the woodman's
Company.
Okay, so what kind of man was the woodman's companion? Ya, jadi seperti apa sih dari temannya woodman or woodman's companion? Ya, he was a dishonest man. Jadi dia adalah orang yang tidak jujur atau iri dengan keberuntungan dari woodman. Next is Dewadit. Yeah, please read the last question, number 5.
Kita make badak, badaku.
No answer. Andi, please read the last question, please.
Wait, I don't have. Look. What did Mercury do when the woodman's companion claimed the golden egg as his own?
Okay, thank you. Okay, attention please. Bima. What did the Mercury do? Yeah. So, number 5, the question is, Mercury declined to give him the golden axe and did not help him to find his axe. Jadi Mercury tidak memberikan golden axe dan juga menolak untuk mencarikan axe-nya, ya. So, thank you. I give you 2 minutes more for writing the answers. Dan for students who have finished
so I can
answering the question, you can fill in the attendance list. Yeah.
When?